We all know that the world is driven by economic incentives, and cyber criminals are continuously finding innovative ways to line their pockets. From draining bank accounts to sophisticated online scams, the quest for financial gain remains a powerful catalyst for cybercrimes. Financially motivated cyber attacks range from direct theft, like bank fraud and credit card skimming, to more complex schemes like ransomware, business email compromise, and cryptojacking. Now, these acts aren't just about stealing money, but they are about exploiting the trust and security for profit. Consider the infamous Carbanak gang, which stole over $1 billion from the financial institutions worldwide, or also think about the explosion of ransomware like CryptoLocker. This demanded payments in exchange for decrypting users' files. Now, these are not just the isolated incidents worldwide, but they are just examples of a widespread and growing trend targeting both individuals and corporations. Well, for corporations, the stakes are incredibly high. Financially motivated attacks can lead to direct financial loss, erode the customer trust, and also bring significant regulatory scrutiny. Defending against these threats requires a multi layered approach. So you gotta have robust cybersecurity measures, employee education as well to recognize the phishing and social engineering attempts, regularly perform the security audits, and also have a rapid incident response plan. Now, what will happen if the busy finance department that receives an urgent request for a wire transfer, and that email is coming from CEO's inbox, and there's pressure mounting, and then the transaction is completed only to discover it was a sophisticated social engineering attack? This scenario is known as a business email compromise, has costed companies billions, and this really highlights the cunning nature of the financially motivated cyber criminals. So now we know that these cyber threats are driven by financial gain. So what we got to do is remain vigilant, continuously adapt your strategies, and remember, the security you ensure today could be the financial disaster you prevent tomorrow. So that's the motivation for the adversaries. Financial gain, ladies and gentlemen. Let us go ahead and talk about the next motivation, the next factor: philosophical and political beliefs. Thank you.